Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Fluent Vibe Podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of good vibes.
Hey Mia, great to be here again. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks. What about you?
Honestly, I'm a little hungry.
Hungry already? We just started recording.
I know, but I can't help it. I'm thinking about food. Big hamburger, crispy fries, and a huge soda.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Now you're making me hungry too.
Sorry. But hey, that actually gives us an idea for today's episode.
That's true. Let's talk about food, specifically how to order food at a restaurant in English.
Perfect topic. Going to a restaurant and speaking English can actually be super easy and fun.
Exactly. Plus, it's a great way to practice real conversations. But before we start, everyone listening, make sure you follow Fluent Vibe and share this episode if you're hungry like Jay right now.
Yes, please do. It really helps the show reach more learners like you.
Okay, so let's imagine you're standing at the door of a restaurant. What do you do first?
I open the door, uh, go in, and I see someone, maybe the host or the waiter.
Right, and what do you say?
Just smile and say hello or hi.
Perfect. Super simple. Then you need a table, right?
Exactly. So I can say, a table for two, please, if I'm with someone, or a table for one, please, if I'm alone.
Yep. The waiter might respond with, "This way, please," or "Follow me."
And then I follow them to my table. Easy.
That's it. You sit down, and now, what's the first thing you want?
The food.
Close. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, right. The menu helps me see what they have.
Exactly. Sometimes the waiter gives it to you, but if not, you can politely ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Sounds polite and natural.
Always remember, please is your magic word in a restaurant.
Okay, so I've got the menu now. I open it and see words like starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Yes, starters are small dishes you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
I like soup. Tomato soup is my favorite.
Me too. Then you look at main courses. That's your big dish. Chicken, fish, pasta, or maybe that hamburger you were talking about.
Oh, yes, definitely the hamburger.
And desserts are sweet, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Dessert is my favorite part. Chocolate cake, please.
A classic. And don't forget the drinks, things like water, juice, soda.
Got it. So now the waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?"
Exactly. You can say, "Yes, I am," or if you need more time, "Just a minute, please."
That's useful. But if I'm hungry, I'm ready.
Then it's time to order. You can say, "I want a hamburger," but a more polite way is, "I would like."
So I would like the hamburger, please.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I'll have the hamburger, please." That sounds natural too.
Great. Let's practice. You be the waiter, I'll be the customer.
All right. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a soda, please.
Perfect. One tomato soup, one hamburger, one soda.
And I say, yes, that's right. Thank you.
Exactly. Super polite.
Then I wait a little, talk with my friend, and the food arrives. Best moment ever.
The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I reply, "Thank you."
Nice. During your meal, the waiter might come by and ask, "Is everything okay?"
If it's good, I can say, "Yes, it's delicious," or "Everything's great, thank you."
Delicious. That's a great word to use.
Delicious. Delicious.
Exactly. It means very, very good, like your hamburger.
Definitely. But what if I need something, like more water?
Then you make eye contact with the waiter and say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?"
Or, "Can I have another soda, please?"
Perfect. Always polite, always friendly.
Okay, so I've finished my delicious hamburger. I'm full and happy.
Same. My salad was amazing. But dessert time?
Of course, the chocolate cake.
The waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And I say, "Yes, please."
Then you choose your dessert and say, "I'd like the chocolate cake, please."
Easy. I love how polite and simple these phrases are.
Me too. After dessert, when you're done, it's time to pay.
Ah, yes, the bill.
Right. You get the waiter's attention and say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Or, can I have the check, please? Same meaning, right?
Exactly. Bill is common in the UK, check in the US, but both work everywhere.
Nice. And if I'm not sure about payment, I can ask, do you take credit cards?
Great tip. When you hand them your card or cash, say, "Here you are."
Then they come back with my receipt, and I can say, thank you, goodbye.
Perfect! That's the full restaurant conversation from start to finish.
Let's do a quick role play from the top to review everything.
Great idea. I'll be the waiter again.
Okay, ready?
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please?
Of course. This way, please. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. One chicken with vegetables and one water. I'll be right back.
Thank you. Wow, Jay, that was great.
Thanks. This is actually fun. It really helps me remember the phrases.
Exactly. When the food arrives, the waiter says, "Enjoy your meal." Thank you. It looks great.
During the meal, they might ask, "Is everything okay?"
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
When you finish, you can say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?"
Here you are. Thank you. Goodbye.
Perfect ending.
It's amazing how simple it really is when you break it down.
Yeah. Short, polite phrases that you can easily remember. A table for? Can I have? I'd like. The bill, please. And don't forget your please and thank you.
That's the secret. It makes every interaction friendly.
And the best way to practice is with a friend. One person as the waiter, one as the customer.
Just like we did today.
Exactly. And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Most people are kind and will help you.
True. The most important thing is to try.
And smile. A smile is universal.
Totally. So, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant, Mia?
I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. But pasta with tomato sauce is my all-time favorite. Simple and always delicious.
Nice. I love pizza. Big, cheesy, with mushrooms.
Now I'm hungry again.
We always end up hungry when we record these episodes.
True. But hopefully everyone listening learned something useful today.
Yeah, remember, practice these phrases at home or next time you eat out. It'll help so much.
Absolutely. And don't forget to follow Fluent Vibe Podcast so you don't miss our next delicious episode.
And share this with a friend who's learning English. It might make their next restaurant visit a lot easier.
Oh, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Pizza, pasta, maybe a juicy burger? We'd love to hear it.
Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling,
And stay
fluent!